Hi everyone, welcome to Wealthtrix channel. This is what's scaling your wealth. Hey there, ever feel like no matter how much you make, you're still falling behind? What if I told you some hidden habits are quietly draining your wealth? Habits you might not even know you're doing. In this video, we're diving deep into the 6 silent wealth killers that could be holding you back from achieving your financial goals. We'll expose these sneaky saboteurs and, most importantly, give you actionable strategies to fight back and start building real, lasting wealth. Because let's face it, nobody wants to work their tails off just to see their hard-earned money disappear. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and start building a brighter financial future, stick around. You don't want to miss this. Let's start with a big one. Lifestyle inflation. Ever gotten a raise or a bonus and thought, finally, time to treat myself? Maybe it's a better car, a nicer apartment, or a luxury gadget. Sounds innocent, right? But here's the thing. Lifestyle inflation is like a balloon that keeps expanding until it pops. You see, as our income grows, our desires often grow right along with it. We start wanting more, thinking we more, and that's a slippery slope. Suddenly, that raise you worked so hard for disappears into a bigger car payment or a fancier apartment you don't really need. Think about it. You were doing just fine before the raise, weren't you? So, why not maintain that same lifestyle and put the extra money towards something that will actually build wealth? I'm talking about investing, paying down debt, or building a safety net. Remember, true wealth isn't about keeping up with the Joneses. It's about making smart choices today that will give you financial freedom and security tomorrow. So, next time you get a raise, don't let lifestyle inflation steal your joy and your wealth. Instead, think long term. Think about your financial goals and how that extra income can get you there faster. Trust me, the satisfaction of watching your investments grow and your net worth increase is far more rewarding than any temporary gratification from a lifestyle upgrade. Next, let's talk about those little purchases, the ones that seem small at the time but add up fast. We're talking daily lattes, takeout lunches, impulse buys at the checkout line. Those little leaks in your financial ship that can sink your wealth over time. Meet Jane. She's a young professional who loves her daily latte and weekend brunches. Each purchase seems harmless, right? A $5 latte here, a $20 brunch there. What's the big deal? But at the end of the month, she's left wondering, where did all her money go? This is the insidious thing about small, frequent expenses. They fly under the radar, making it seem like you're not spending much at all. But if you actually track your spending, you might be shocked to see how much those little purchases are actually costing you. Here's the thing, it's not about depriving yourself entirely. It's about being mindful and prioritizing. Do you really need that daily latte? Or could you make coffee at home and save a few bucks? Could you pack your lunch a couple of times a week instead of ordering takeout? Remember, every dollar you spend is a dollar that could be working for you, earning interest, or growing your investments. So, before you swipe that card for another seemingly insignificant purchase, ask yourself, is this aligned with my financial goals? And now, perhaps the most dangerous trap, get-rich-quick schemes. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement of guaranteed returns or the promise of easy money through risky investments. A lot of people see others making it big and think, why not me? But here's the truth. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. These schemes prey on our desire for quick and easy wealth. But the reality is, building true wealth takes time, effort, and discipline. Let me tell you something. I've seen countless people lose their hard-earned money chasing these pipe dreams. They get lured in by slick marketing and promises of overnight riches, only to end up with empty pockets and shattered dreams. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making smart, informed decisions based on sound financial principles, not falling for the latest fad or hype. Don't let impatience lead you down a path of financial ruin. Instead of seeking shortcuts, focus on educating yourself about personal finance. Learn about different investment strategies, understand risk management, and develop a long-term plan that aligns with your financial goals. Chapter 4. The High Cost of Financial Illiteracy. Knowledge is power. Ever felt overwhelmed by money jargon like APRs, diversification, or compounding interest? Trust me, you are not alone. Many people feel intimidated by financial concepts, and they avoid dealing with money matters altogether. But here's the deal. Ignoring financial literacy is one of the biggest wealth killers, and it's way more common than you think. Think about it. You wouldn't show up to a job interview without preparing, would you? You wouldn't try to bake a cake without a recipe, right? So why treat your finances any differently? Just like any other skill, financial literacy is something you can learn and improve upon. And the best part is there are tons of resources available to help you. From books and podcasts to online courses and financial advisors, there's something out there for everyone. Understanding how money works is crucial to making smart decisions with your money. It empowers you to take control of your financial future, avoid costly mistakes, and make your money work harder for you. So, don't let financial illiteracy hold you back. Start small, read a book, listen to a podcast, or talk to a financial advisor. The more you learn, the more confident you will become in making sound financial decisions. Chapter 5. FOMO. The fear of missing out is costing you thousands. Ever looked at someone's flashy vacation on Instagram and thought, I need that too? That's FOMO, fear of missing out, and it's draining your wallet faster than you realize. In the age of social media, it's easy to feel like everyone else is living the dream life while you're stuck in a rut. But here's the thing, social media is just a highlight reel. People rarely post about their financial struggles, their debts, or the sacrifices they've made to afford that picture-perfect vacation. And yet, we often compare our behind the scenes to their highlight reel, leading to feelings of inadequacy and envy. This is where FOMO thrives. It whispers in our ear, telling us we need to keep up, that we're missing out if we don't have the latest gadgets, designer clothes, or extravagant experiences. But here's the truth. FOMO is a liar. It's a master manipulator that preys on our insecurities and desires, pushing us to spend money we don't have on things we don't need to impress people we don't even know. So, how do we combat FOMO? By focusing on what truly matters to us. Instead of chasing someone else's definition of success, define what success means to you. What are your values? What are your goals? Once you have a clear understanding of what's important to you, you can start making financial decisions that align with those values and goals. Chapter 6. The Emergency Fund. Your financial safety net. Let's talk about one of the most overlooked wealth strategies, having an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, some good, some expensive. Your car could break down, you could lose your job, or you could face an unexpected medical bill. Without a safety net, a single emergency can throw your finances into chaos, forcing you into debt and derailing your financial goals. That's where the emergency fund comes in. It's your financial cushion, your peace of mind, knowing that you can handle life's curveballs without going into debt. Now you might be thinking, but Graham, I'm already on a tight budget. Where am I supposed to find the money for an emergency fund? And I get it, I really do. But here's the thing, an emergency fund isn't a nice to have, it's a must have. It's your financial lifeline, and it's crucial to prioritize it. Start by setting aside a small amount each month, even if it's just $50 or $100. You can gradually increase this amount as your income grows, or as you find ways to cut back on expenses. Remember, even small contributions add up over time. Think of your emergency fund as insurance for your financial well-being. It's there to protect you from the unexpected and give you peace of mind, knowing that you're financially prepared for whatever life throws your way. Utro, take control of your wealth. Thanks for watching. If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little financial clarity. Let's keep building wealth the smart way together. Remember, building wealth isn't about luck or hitting the jackpot. It's about making conscious, informed choices with your money and developing habits that support your financial well-being. It's about having the knowledge and the tools to navigate the complex world of personal finance and make your money work harder for you. So take what you've learned today and start implementing it in your own life. Small changes can lead to big results over time, and I'm confident that you can achieve your financial goals with the right mindset and strategies. Now go out there and start building the financial future you deserve.